Okay. Nag-message na po ako.
Si ano?
Ay, Kuya, ando na po daw yung ano sa baba. Macdo.
Mother or sa McDo?
Sa Macdo.
Okay.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. Okay. Go. Sige, go. Mag-makeup ka. Welcome to my vlog of my life. A day in my life. So today...
Today is, wala lang. Gusto ko na paayos.
Yeah.
Trip lang.
Trippings.
Walang. Bawal ba?
Trippings, bakit? Trippings lang talaga.
Is it the lighting giving? Kasi sa totoo lang wala akong energy, so ang dami kong energy. Is that like sensing myself?
Is that pointing?
Am I pointing
The point?
to yes? No. Up, down. It's snowing. It's snowing! yung, anong powder yan ate? Maganda yung pang volume, no?
Pang volume.
Ay,
May nalagyan?
secret lang yan, guys. Okay lang.
Tayo lang.
Streaming Cloud9. Oh, thank you. Oh, dapat pinili ko yung ganda ko pala kanina para stream. Hello, madlang people, mabuhay. Many miss you. I miss you.
Ah! Hoy!
Sorry. Mali.
Sino?
Ikaw nga.
Mali.
Baka may guys, may tanong ba kayo? Guys, I hope you can join the live stream later. 3 p.m. po sa account ng Rise, account ng I Want TFC. May special project announcement kami doon. So, sana manonood po kayo. Live na live kami. Tapos yung host dyan ay si Jay Miranda, my besticles Jay. He's hosting my event. That's so full circle moment.
Paano full school?
Full circle. Ganon. Kasi we host together and now he hosting me. Oh my God. Wala talaga. Guys, nagkape ako this morning project. Promise. Sabaw na. I wokening up myself at 10 in the morning. It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Isa mo na.
Well, what we really need is okay, guys, share this live stream to your family and your friends and your sister and your mother and your brother.
Cause what?
Yes. Guys, palaban din yung outfit ko mamaya. OMG. Magugulat kayo, malalamig ako. Walang jacket yan. You lost all your common sense. What a coincidence.
Kailan yung viewers for today's video?
43.
Ano?
43. 44 siya kanina. May umalis. Sino umalis? Balik ka.
Ang umalis.
Balik ka.
Hindi mababilis.
You know what? I will go on TikTok. Oh my God, it's so funny. It says, Manda. Okay. Ang dami kong energy.
Kahit wala naman talaga.
TikTok na lang, yes. TikTok na lang ako magla-live pa, guys. Okay. If you're saying so. Diba ang galing naman? Ang galing na makeup artist.
Parang nakikita ko rin sa kanya si Isabel Granada.
Oo.
Diba?
Sino yan?
Isabel Granada,
Ganda nun!
Hindi ko rin siya naabutan actually.
Pero isa siya sa magandang faces.
Actually, ko nabuta kasi ang nabuta ko talaga blind. Ikaw.
Ay, wow!
Kaya yung mga kaedad mo kasi.
Exactly.
Yes. Hindi kasi love it.
Yan.
Noted.